colleagues that have created custom fields, or you just want to verify if custom fields have been created, you can do that by being logged in with your login here. You can go to Settings, Users, and then My Custom Fields. So main menu Settings, submenu Users, My Custom Fields. In My Custom Fields, you will find up to 5 different rows. You can see 5 different rows here for each area of MoveOn that contains custom fields. For each one of these, you want to double check to see if there's any custom fields that have been added by somebody else at your institution, which you might want to see. Likewise, if you're currently seeing one of these custom fields and you no longer want to see it, you can untick the box. So let's take a look at that with contact here. So I'm going to use the pencil here, or I could check the box and I go to Actions, Open, or I can just simply click on the pencil. If I click on the pencil, I can see these 3 custom fields are in my MoveOn system that I'm a part of, but maybe I don't want to have anything to do with Christmas cards anymore. I can uncheck these boxes, and I will no longer see these fields when I'm looking at a contact. Save and close. So that's how to unclick some things. There could be the case if you were looking at, for example, something in stays, where there's all these different ones that have been added. And if some of them are blank for you that you want to see, let's say a couple of these were blank, that a colleague had recently added these and you wanted to see them as well, you would just go in here and click to see that you want to see these. So it's just a matter of clicking and unclicking what you want to see personally when you're logged in. Now, if you are the administrator for a team of folks and you have recently created a whole bunch of custom fields and you know that you want your colleagues to see these, what you could go to, let me show you from the beginning, is you go to Settings, Users, Users. You see the users of your colleagues that you work with, and they've already told you that they want to see the custom fields. So for example, you could go into Colin Farrell here, who's in the role of Contracts and Insurance Officer, and maybe select all these individuals that are in this role. They all have these new fields that they want to see that you've created. You could select all of them, or I could have applied a filter here to say Contracts, have them all, select all, open all, so I'm opening each user. And for each one of these folks, you can say I want to activate all custom fields for this user. Do that. And so every single custom field that exists in the system, Natalie will now see. Same thing here with activate all custom fields for Kenneth. Now they're not going to be emailed and informed of this. It's just that the next time that Colin Farrell logs in, he will now see these new custom fields that have been added. When he's logged in, he can do what we did at the top of the video. Colin could log in, go to Settings, go to Users, go to My Custom Fields, and he could likewise unclick some of the boxes that were automatically ticked for him from the action that you did.